Today we're showing you a 2006 John Deere 4520 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 400X quick attach front loader. Tractor has just under 900 hours on it, has 53 horsepower. Tractor's prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Paint's in nice shape on this tractor. It's got the upright exhaust. Somebody also added the third function. So this is Plumbed operator Grapple. Got the bucket quick connect up front here. 6-foot heavy duty front bucket. See, there's some paint coming out of the inside of the bucket. Front tires are good. Paint's nice on the tractor. Work lights on the cab. 2 doors in the cab. Rear tires are in good shape. Does have the rear hydraulic outlet back here. 540 PTO. It's got the heavier 3-point stabilizers. Inside the cab, it's got the air ride seat here for the operator. It does have the joystick here to operate your loader, and again, it is plumbed for a third function. That top button there operates that third function. Also have your cruise control buttons here, PTO engagement, 3-point and rear hydraulic SCV control there. 4-wheel drive engagement is up here on the dash. It does have tilt steering wheel. It's got the hydrostatic transmission with the individual pedals. 3 ranges on the hydrostat. And again, prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, we do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.